brothers. In this video, I am going to explain NTA 2019 questions. Okay, this is a chemical bonding question from molecular orbital theory. Very important concept. Okay, this is very important concept. So let us see what is the question here. Among the following species, the diamagnetic molecule is. Here four diatomic molecules given. They are CO, B2, NO and O2. So from these diatomic molecules we have to find out. So which one is diamagnetic molecule? So to know this diamagnetic molecule first, so before that we have to know the what is diamagnetic substance and what is paramagnetic substance. Let us see how to find out this. So here paramagnetic substance. So paramagnetic substance means the substance which is weakly attracted by the external magnetic field are called as paramagnetic substance. To show this paramagnetic nature, okay, substance should contain at least one unpaired electron. Okay, what is the requirement here? At least one unpaired electron is required. Okay, at least one unpaired electron is required. Okay, to show the paramagnetic nature. So let us, next one is diamagnetic substance. So diamagnetic substance means, okay, the substance which is repelled by the, okay, the substance which is repelled by the external magnetic field called as diamagnetic substance. To show this diamagnetic substance, the substance should be with all paired electrons. Okay, which one is required here? All paired electrons required. If a substance at least one unpaired electron contains, that is called as paramagnetic substance. If substance contains all paired electrons, called as diamagnetic substance. So let us see how to find out this diamagnetic or paramagnetic nature in the diatomic molecules. So based on the MOT theory, or based on the molecular orbital theory, we can find out this. Here two types of molecules we are dividing. One is up to 14 electrons containing diatomic molecule. So one more is more than 14 electrons containing diatomic molecule. Okay. So according to this molecular orbital theory and molecular orbital energy profile diagram, so here, so I am giving a simplified, okay, for our convenient, I am giving the simplest way of molecular orbital diagram. Okay, in this, so this is the energy order. Okay, this is the energy order. The lowest energy one is sigma 1s. So next one is sigma star 1s. Next sigma 2s. Next sigma star 2s. Next pi 2px equal to pi 2py. So why we are taking this equal? Because both are degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbitals means, okay, they have similar energy. That's why we are calling degenerate orbitals. So next is sigma 2pz. Next pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py. These also degenerate orbitals. Next sigma star 2pz. Okay, this is the order up to 14 electrons containing diatomic molecules. Okay, so this is also one more energy order of diatomic molecules which contains more than 14 electrons. Okay, more than 14 electrons. In that sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, next sigma 2s, next sigma star 2s, next sigma 2pz, next pi 2px equal to pi 2py, next pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py, next sigma star 2pz. So when you compare these two diagrams, so where is the difference is there? Okay, between this pi 2px equal to pi 2py and sigma 2pz. Okay, so here only difference is there. Remaining all are same. Okay, so when come to the options, first option is CO. CO contains how many electrons here? Carbon with 6 electrons and oxygen with, okay, 8 electrons totally. These diatomic molecules contain 14 electrons. That's why which order we have to follow? This order we have to follow, up to 14 electrons. Okay, so then here fill the 14 electrons in this. So here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons. Totally here 8 electrons finished. So remaining 6 electrons are present. So when come to here, pi 2px equal to pi 2py is there. Okay, then 1 electron here first, then 1 electron here. Why we are feeling like this? Because these two having similar energy. According to the Hundsul, when similar energy containing orbitals are present, we have to fill the electrons in each orbitals 1 electron, then pairing takes place. Okay, up to here 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 electrons finished. So when you observe this, is there any unpaired electron? So there is no unpaired electron for CO. So that's why it is said to be if a substance contains all paired electron, the substance is said to be diamagnetic substance. Diamagnetic substance. Let us see B2. In this, boron contains 5 electron, 2 borons, that's why 5 plus 5, 10 electrons. 10 electrons are there. So 10 electrons means up to where we'll get the configuration. So up to here 8 electrons finished, then 9, 10. 8 electrons finished up to here, then 9 and 10th electron. So in this case, here 2 unpaired electrons are present in the electronic molecular orbital electronic configuration of B2 contains 2 unpaired electrons. If it contains unpaired electron, then it is said to be paramagnetic substance. Which substance it is? Paramagnetic substance. So let us see NO. Nitrogen with 7 electrons, oxygen with 8 electrons, totally 15 electrons are there. So when a substance contains, when diatomic molecule contains 15 electrons, that means more than 14 electrons, we have to follow this one. So fill the electrons in this order. Here how many electrons we have to write? 2, here 2, here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. Totally how many electrons finished? 10 electrons finished. So remaining how many are there? 5 electrons are there. Here 1 electron, here 1 electron. Next pairing takes place, 1 electron, 1 electron. So up to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 electrons finished. Remaining 1 electron is there. In this we have to fill. These two are the degenerate orbitals. That's why we can write 1 electron, any of the orbital. So here I am writing in this. Then here 1 electron is there. 1 electron is unpaired electron. That's why it shows which nature? Paramagnetic nature. That's why NO is paramagnetic. Next, if you take O2. So O2 means 2 oxygens. 8 plus 8. 16 electrons are there. 16 electrons are present in this. So up to here how many electrons finished? 15 electrons finished. Then 16 electron I am writing here. Even though it contains unpaired electron, that's why O2 also is said to be paramagnetic substance. In the given options, so which one get? Diamagnetic. CO is diamagnetic substance. And also we can find out this very easily. All even number containing species with diamagnetic, all odd number electrons containing species with paramagnetic. All even number with diamagnetic except 10 electron containing species and 16 electron containing species. Next, all odd number electrons containing species is odd number electrons containing species paramagnetic species. So like that also we can find out all even number of electrons containing species or diatomic molecule. So definitely diamagnetic except 10 electron containing species and 16 electron containing species. Next one, all odd number of electrons containing species, they are paramagnetic nature. So here you have to remember all even number of electrons containing species compulsory dia except 10 electron species and 16 electron species. All odd number of electrons containing species definitely paramagnetic species. Like this we can find out diamagnetic and paramagnetic substance based on the molecular orbital theory. Let us see next question. According to MOT, which of the following is true with respect to Li2 plus and Li2 minus? So for this question, given options are both are unstable and Li2 plus is unstable and Li2 minus is stable. Both are stable and Li2 plus is stable and Li2 minus is unstable. So to find out the stability, so according to MO theory, first we have to write the electronic configuration. Then by using a formula Nb minus Na by 2, we have to find out the bond order. So based on that bond order, the species which contain more bond order, more stable. Okay, let us see here. Here Li2 plus means how many electrons here? 5 electrons. Okay, Li2 means 6 electrons here, positive charge is there, that's why loss of 1 electron, that's why 5 electrons. So write the molecular orbital electronic configuration here. Sigma 1s 2, sigma star 1s2, then sigma 2s 1. Okay, totally 5 electrons. Okay, here to find out the bond order, formula is Nb minus Na by 2. So where Nb equal to number of electrons which are present in the bonding molecular orbital, Na means number of electrons which are present in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, how many electrons are there? Let us see here. This is a BMO, bonding molecular orbital, here 2 electrons. So this is also BMO, bonding molecular orbital. That's why here 3 electrons in the BMO and a sigma star 1s2. This is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Here 2 electrons are there. 2, 3 minus 2 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Okay, see here in this. Okay, 2 lithium, 6 electrons, here minus charge is there, that's why we have to add 1 more electron, then totally 7 electrons are present. Okay, configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s1. Okay, here also, so by using bond order Nb minus Na by 2, Nb electrons count, here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, totally 4 electrons are there in the Na. Okay, anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons, here 2 electrons, here 1 electron. Okay, totally 3 electrons, 4 minus 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Here these two species with same bond order, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. That's why when species with same bond order, the stability depends upon the number of electrons which are present in the antibonding molecular orbital. The species with more number of antibonding molecular orbital electrons is unstable. Here you see in these two species, so which one having more number of antibonding molecular orbital electrons? This one. Here how many are there? Here 2, here 3. Here 3 anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons are present. So here only 2. So 2 anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons are present. Okay, so that's why. So which one is less stable? More number of anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons, Na. Less stable, okay, then this one is more stable. Okay, so that's why what we can say here, Li2 plus is more stable than the Li2 minus. Means this is more stable, this is less stable. That's why, so which option is correct? Li2 plus is stable and Li2 minus is unstable. That's why answer is this one. Okay, let us discuss next question. That is, during the change of O2 to O2 minus, the incoming electron goes to the orbital. Okay, while changing from O2 to the O2 minus. So here O2 contains how many electrons first? O2 contains 16 electrons. Okay, so by knowing these 16 electrons, what we have to do? We have to do the molecular orbital electronic configuration. We have to write molecular orbital electronic configuration for O2. In this, how many electrons? 16 electrons are there. Here sigma 1s contains 2 electrons, sigma star 1s contains 2 electrons, sigma 2s contains 2 electrons, sigma star contains 2 electrons, sigma 2pz contains 2 electrons. Up to here how many electrons finished? 10 electrons finished. So remaining how many electrons are there? 6 electrons are present. That's why here 1 electron, here 1 electron. So next, okay, this is 11th electron, 12th electron, next 13th and 14th electron. So next which one is there? 15th electron and 16th electron. So this is a molecular orbital electronic configuration for O2. So what is the change taking place from O2 to the O2 minus? So O2 by gaining 1 electron change it to O2 minus. That means the incoming electron is 17th electron. Okay, O2 contains 16 electrons. By gaining 1 electron means this electron is 17th electron. Okay, so the 17th electron enters into which orbital is the question. Okay, 17th electron may enters into pi star 2px or pi star 2py. So what is the reason here? Because these two are the degenerate orbitals. Okay, these two are the degenerate, means similar energy containing orbitals. That's why, okay, any of this orbital, okay, arranged with 17th electron. That means maybe here or maybe here. Okay, for example, if we take, I'm taking pi star 2px, here 17th electron filled. So in the given options, pi 2px, pi star 2px, pi 2py, sigma star 2pz is there. The 17th electron enters into pi star 2px. Okay, so that's why which option is correct? Pi star 2px is the correct option. Let us see next question. Here, in which of the following processes the bond order has increased and paramagnetic character has changed to diamagnetic nature? So here 4 options given. Okay, in that what they asked, bond order has increased and magnetic nature from paramagnetic to the diamagnetic nature changed. Okay, let us see the, here to find out the bond order, already we discussed a trick, the very easy trick, that is I given here. And to find out the magnetic nature, that is also I given one trick here. Okay, let us see options. So first we have to find out the electrons here. O2 contains how many electrons? 16 electrons. O2 plus contains, when O2 16, here O2 plus means 15 electrons. Okay, loss of 1 electron. Okay, 16 electron containing species with bond order 2. Okay, these are the electrons. So this is a bond order. So this is the magnetic nature. Okay, 16 electron species with bond order 2 and 15 electron species with bond order 2.5. Okay, here even number of electrons are there, even number of electrons containing species diamagnetic, but exception condition here 16 electron species is paramagnetic nature. That's why this is paramagnetic. Okay, O2 plus 15 electrons, bond order 2.5. Okay, odd number of electrons, all odd number of electron species paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. Next let us see N2. N2 with 14 electrons. N2 plus means 13 electrons. 14 electron species with bond order 3 and 13 electron species with bond order 2.5. Okay, next here 14 electrons, even number, that's why diamagnetic, and 13 odd number, that's why paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. Next O2, already we discussed, 16 electrons and bond order is 2. So which nature? 16 electron species, paramagnetic nature. And O2 2 minus. Okay, O2 with 16 electrons means O2 2 minus, 2 electrons extra, 18 electrons. 18 electron species with bond order 1. Okay, magnetic nature, even number with magnetic nature, diamagnetic nature. Next NO, nitrogen with 7 and oxygen with 8. Totally 15 electrons are there. NO plus. Okay, when NO is 15, NO plus, loss of an electron, that's why 14 electrons. 15 electron species with bond order 2.5. 14 electron species, bond order 3. Okay, here odd number species. Okay, that's why paramagnetic nature. Paramagnetic nature, and 14 electron species, even number, that's why diamagnetic nature. So what's the question here? Bond order increased as well as paramagnetic character changed to the diamagnetic. Let us see here. Okay, bond order 2 to 2.5. Okay, bond order increased, but magnetic nature does not change. That's why this option is wrong. Okay, here bond order decreased. Okay, what they asked in the question? Bond order increased. That's why this option also wrong. So here also bond order decreased 2 to 1. Bond order decreased. Okay, that's why this is also wrong. Next, let us come to this fourth option. 2.5 to 3. Bond order increased. Nature, magnetic nature, paramagnetic, diamagnetic. So what they ask in the question? Bond order has increased, that is 2.5 to 3, and paramagnetic character has changed to diamagnetic. Paramagnetic character changed to diamagnetic. So that's why this is the option. For this type of questions, we can find out answer very easily by using these tricks. Okay, this is a very important tricks we have to use to this type of questions. Let us discuss next question. Among the following molecules are ions: C2 2 minus, N2 2 minus, O2 2 minus, O2. Which one is diamagnetic and has the shortest bond length? Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out diamagnetic species as well as that should contain shortest bond length. Okay, so here to find the diamagnetic and bond length, so bond length is coming from based on the bond order. Okay, so before going to that, I want to explain diamagnetic character. Here C2 2 minus means how many electrons are there? Okay, C2 contains 12, here 2 minus is there, that's why totally 14 electrons are present. Okay, 14 electrons. O2 8 plus 8, 16 electrons. O2 16, 2 minus, 16 plus 2, 18 electrons. And here N2 14, 2 minus, 16 electrons. Okay, 14 electrons containing species. Which magnetic nature? Means even number. Even number electronic species, diamagnetic. That's why this is dia. Okay, 16 electron species, even number but exception condition, 16 electron species, paramagnetic. Next, O2 2 minus, 18 electrons, 18 even number species, diamagnetic. Next here 16 electrons, this is paramagnetic. Okay, so here how many diamagnetic species came here? 2. One is C2 2 minus, one is O2 2 minus. Then we have to find out shortest bond length. To find out the bond length, compulsory we have to know the bond order first. Okay, 14 electron species bond order 3. Okay, 16 electron species bond order 2. 18 electron species bond order 1. Next, 16 electron species bond order 2. So here bond order and bond length both are inversely proportional. If bond order is more, bond length is less. If bond order is less, bond length is more. So which species contain bond order more? Is C2 2 minus with bond order 3. That's why in the given options, bond length is less for this. Shortest bond length for this. Shortest bond length. Okay, based on the bond order, we can find out the bond length here. Which one having shortest, which one having longest bond length. Okay, in the given options, C2 2 minus having diamagnetic nature, and because of bond order 3, more bond order, shortest bond length. That's why which one is the correct option here? A is the correct option. Okay. Among the following species, the diamagnetic molecule is Okay, you have 4 options given. From these options we have to find out which one is diamagnetic substance. Okay, here CO means carbon with 6 electrons, oxygen with 8 electrons, total 14 electrons are there. 14 electron species with which nature? Even number of electron species, diamagnetic nature. Okay, B2, boron with 5 electrons, 5 plus 5, 10 electrons totally. So 10 electron, even number. Even though here exception condition, 10 electron species, paramagnetic nature. NO, 7 plus 8, totally 15 electrons are there. Okay, 15 electron means odd number of electron species, paramagnetic nature. And O2 16 electron species, even number, exception condition, 16 electron species, paramagnetic nature. Okay, that's why for this question which one is correct? CO. Oh, okay, with 14 electrons, diamagnetic nature. Okay, so this trick is very important trick to find out the magnetic nature. Okay,